I got some gadgets from a box, so let's hope I am lucky. I also got two rainbow ones when I rolled. Oh, let's see one I already have. Moment of truth. Beast?
Bored.
Burp, I mean burning spice.
So bored.
Rip-roaring hot. Burning spice has now taken over. But don't worry, Golden Cheese Jay is taking it back.
Pleasure!
Boring. Proof Burping Spice is home.